What's going on, guys? Zeddy of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be unboxing the new mobile G5. All right, so I do want to say thank you to these guys for sending us this phone. If you want to learn more about it as I'm going over it, I'll throw some links in both the description and comments of this video. Okay, so more importantly, I got to get the plastic off this box because, I literally just got this in. But the phone itself, it's a $160 phone. The specs on it, I'll go over in just a second. Got to figure out how to get this box off. So actually, the box design is really nice. It's just the plastic part here is hard to get off. I think I'm going to have to rip it off, so just bear with me for a sec here. All right, cool. All right, let's say, yeah, like I said, the packaging was nice, but kind of destroyed it right there. But anyways, this phone, it's got a 6.55-inch HD LCD display. The design on it, it's got like a plastic backing. It's got a quad camera, 16 megapixels, 1080p video recording. But let's see what comes in the box. All right, looks like we got a little thank you. Very nice. All right, good stuff. Then I'm sure we got like our charger in here. Oh, we got a case. Oh, it comes with a case. That's pretty nice. Okay, I've seen this quite a bit lately with some of the, more budgeter phones. They're throwing cases with their phones, which is cool. But yeah, you got your basic stuff in here, charger, headphones, which is nice. But yeah, the case coming with it, I think that's a nice touch. But kind of curious to see what this phone looks like. This is my first new mobile phone ever. Let's get this wrapping off. Was wrapped really nice. All right, the phone looks nice. All right, it's got a cool design. Kind of glares a little bit at you. But yeah, it looks really nice. And like I said, you got like the quad camera. It is a plastic backing, so the phone's not all glass. 16 megapixels up there on the selfie camera and the rear camera. It's got some ultra wide capabilities too. But I think we got to turn this thing on, right? So let me get this going. I think I'm hitting the power button. All right, good stuff. All right, we got that new logo popping up here. Like I said, I like the fact that it comes with a case. It's nice. It's like one of those things you don't have to do. You don't have to take an extra step and buy, a case off of Amazon or somewhere else, Okay, so we got the startup screen. I am skipping through it so we can kind of get things going. Now, the wallpaper is really nice looking. One of the first things I always like to do when I start up a new phone is just check out some of the wallpapers. The wallpaper options they have on here, there's a bunch of them. They don't kind of like mix well with each other, but at the same time, I like the stock one here. I just think that one looks really slick. So what I want to do now real quick is just check out some of the video quality, the screen quality, and some of the sound. Now, you do get the full display on this phone, which is something they pointed out. There's no notch on it, which is definitely a huge benefit. Notches these days with just about any phone out there is just something you got to deal with. I'm going to throw up this Mortal Kombat, this kind of like new gameplay trailer, just to, check out the video quality on here. So let's do it.
Mother wants us to live as sisters. There's proof that she's lost her mind. Come, let us be a family. Fight.
Fatality. Melina wins.
Okay, now I wanted to throw up a little gameplay on it. I'm going to throw up this zombie shooter Dead Target so we can kind of check out some of the gaming on this phone. All right, so this phone made a great first impression on me. If you want to learn more about it, I'll have some links in both the description and comments of this video. If you could smash a like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next one.